Drone surveys can be efficient and solve logistical problems, but how much should you budget for one? In general terms, drone survey costs vary based on site size, accuracy needed and required deliverables, starting from around £300 to £500 for small residential sites or supplementary flights as part of ongoing work, moving upwards in price and timescale for more complex projects. Prices, as with all survey works, will be overwhelmingly dependent on resources required to produce the required deliverables. These can include photogrammetric measured surveys, orthomosaic output, or photographic and video packages. While setup costs for drone surveys may initially be higher than a traditional terrestrial-based survey, they can often save time and reduce risk, and with larger projects often deliver rich data faster, saving money and improving decision making. Costs will depend on site size. The bigger the target area, the longer the flight time and subsequent data payload, and therefore process time. Output requirements. Point cloud density can add data load and therefore processing time increases. Data outputs. Do you need orthomosaics, 2D plans, 3D models? The simplest outputs such as photographic or video records will require very little post-capture input. At the other end of the scale, 3D models will require significant draw time, so costs differ accordingly. Accessibility and legal setup. Urban permissions or UAV sensitive sites and areas can increase pre-survey processes. If you're curious as to what a drone survey will cost your project, Laser Surveys can provide competitive, tailored pricing based on your site and deliverable requirements. Contact us today for your free drone survey quote and unlock accurate aerial data fast.